solve means to work out the valued letter. In this case, I'm solving for the letter x. As I want to get x by itself, my first step is I need to eliminate the square root. The opposite of square root is to square. I must do the same operation to both sides of my equation in order to keep my equation balanced. On the left-hand side, square root and square will cancel, and therefore I'm just left with whatever's inside the root, which in this case is 2x minus 1 on the top and 5 on the bottom. And on the right-hand side, I know 4 squared means 4 times 4, which is 16. Again, as I want to get x by itself, I never like dividing in mathematics. The opposite divided by 5 is to do the opposite, and that is to times both sides of my equation by 5. I know that times it by 5 and divided by 5 are the opposite, so cancel on the left-hand side, and we're just left with the numerator, which in this case is 2x minus 1. And on the right-hand side, I know that 16 times 5 gives us 80. As I want to get x by itself, my next step is to move the negative 1 to the right by doing the opposite. Opposite of minus 1, therefore, is to add 1 to both sides of my equation, because I know negative 1 add 1 will cancel on the left-hand side, and that leaves us with 2x. And on the right-hand side, I know 80 add 1 gives us 81. I know that 2x in algebra means 2 multiplied by x. And as I want to get the value of x, the opposite of multiply by 2 is to divide both sides of my equation by 2. On the left-hand side, 2 over 2 will cancel to leave us just with x. And on the right-hand side, 81 divided by 2 will give us 40.5.
Your turn. Drop solution in chat. Thanks.